Would you like some great pumpkin recipe ideas? Maybe some easy fall soups and stews? In this video, I'll be showing you how to cook fresh pumpkin, plus share a favorite pumpkin soup recipe that's tasty and warming. I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie. I'm a holistic nutritionist, certified aromatherapist, certified functional health coach, author, and I'm an essential oil enthusiast and educator. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I share a brand new video. I have been teaching about the importance of gut health for over 3 decades now, and today I'm really excited to share one of my favorite fall soups that is also great for gut health too. Make sure you stick around to the end so you get the chance to grab my Happy Gut Desserts ebook, which includes some of my favorite desserts that are not only super tasty, but gut-friendly too. Before I jump into this video, I would love to hear what your most important healthy food alternatives are in the comments below. Maybe it's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free recipes, or even low-carb desserts, keto recipes, foods bad for gut health, and so on. With more and more documentation on the significance of gut health in relation to our overall health, diet becomes a very important matter. And especially when the holidays are approaching, instead of sabotaging your gut in all of your celebrations, wouldn't you like to know what would support your gut health and be able to enjoy those foods at the same time? You got it. Let's start right in with one of my great fall soups that is a hit with my family, and hopefully it will be a hit for you and yours as well. First, let's start with the best and easiest way to cook a pumpkin. It's super simple for any of your favorite fall pumpkin recipes.
Just take a whole pie pumpkin, pierce it once, place it on a baking sheet, and bake it for about 375 for 45 minutes, and it's done. Half it, scoop out the guts, and spoon out the pumpkin meat when it's cool enough to handle. The pie pumpkin is so much smaller than the jack-o'-lantern pumpkin, and it's way more meaty, so definitely a preference for baking. However, in any of these recipes, if you prefer to use canned pumpkin, do whatever suits you for sure for any of your fall pumpkin recipes. This creamy pumpkin soup has been a winner in my home for years, and everyone who tastes it loves it. So in a large skillet over medium heat, heat 3 tablespoons olive oil, add 1 large chopped onion, 2 cut up stalks of celery, 4 cloves garlic, and saute until tender. Then you're going to add the whole pumpkin chunks, 2 cups of chicken broth, and bring it to a boil covered. Simmer about 10 minutes, then remove from the heat. And now you can either use an immersion blender to blend it smooth or pour it into a blender and then return it to your pot. Then add 1 cup of coconut cream or dairy cream, 2½ teaspoons salt, and then the scrumptious part, you're going to add 3 drops of basil essential oil and 2 drops of black pepper essential oil, and give it a stir. These are what the raves are all about. This soup is done and ready to serve. Just ladle into bowls and garnish with black pepper and chopped cilantro. So yum. So if you're asking, how can I improve my gut health? This soup is a great place to start. Not only starting with the fresh foods and clean ingredients will help reset your gut, but by adding basil and black pepper essential oils, they have properties that raise your metabolism, build your immunity, and support a healthy digestion.
Now it's freebie time. You made it through my video, and now I want to give you access to my Happy Gut Desserts ebook, which includes superfoods for gut health, anti-inflammatory desserts, low-carb sugar-free cookies, sugar-free chocolate desserts, easy healthy desserts, no bake, and so much more. It's free and will help you greatly see the positive possibilities on the gut microbiome diet journey. Just go to the link in the description below, put in your email, and it will show up in your inbox shortly. Make sure and check out the other bits of info in that description. Ask your questions or comment below, hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video soon.